Welcome, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Now, so before starting the lesson, tell me one thing. What was the topic that we have started yesterday? We have started that lesson topic? Yes, the sun, star, and the stars, right? It was related to the sun and the stars. And this is which day of yours? It's the second day of week 13, and this 13th week is your second term, right? It is the first week of your second term, right? And the topic which we started was related to the sun and the stars. Now, what we are going to learn today, I'm going to tell you in a minute. But first of all, I want to show you a video. And again, this is our Edward video, right? You can easily watch them if you want. If you go to our website, you can see all these videos. There are loads and loads of videos on different topics, right? So let's see, what do I have to show you? Are you all ready? Yes? Okay, there you go. Can you all see my screen, children? Yes? Great. There you go.
Sun is out, sun is out, sun is out in the morning. Shining bright, shining bright, shining bright in the noon. Settling down, settling down, settling down the evening. There comes moon, there comes moon, there comes moon. The night long with it, and along with it, and along with it, and along with it are stars.
Okay. Alright, now tell me, class. What was the video about? It was about the sun and the moon, right? The sun and the moon. At what time of the day the sun is out? In the daytime, that is in the morning, and moon is out at night. So at daytime, the lights that we have, that we get, is from where? From where do we get that light that we have at daytime? We get it from the sun. It comes from the sun, right? And do we have can we do we have light at night time? A tiny light. And from where do we get that light? And that light is we get it from the moon, and it's the reflection from the stars, right? So children, when there is sunlight and you have daytime, what can you do at daytime? You can do different things, right? You can have different activities, and this is our topic for today: the daytime and nighttime activities, the different activities that you people do at daytime, and the activities that you do at nighttime. So can you name some of the activities that you can do that you easily do at daytime? Yes, you can play in the park. What else can you do? You can go for a ride. You can have horse riding. Yes, you can do horse riding at nighttime, at daytime, sorry. And what else can you do at daytime? You can swim, right? Can you see stars also at night, daytime? No, you cannot see stars. So at what time you can see stars? You can only see stars at night time, right? So what else you do in daytime? You can go for a picnic and have swimming and go different things, enjoy yourself, right? Okay. Now what about nighttime? What else? What do you do at night? You stay indoors. So when you stay indoors, can you do any activity over there? Yes, of course you can. What are those activities? You can play indoor games. You can play on your laptops, on computer, PlayStation. These days, if there are PlayStation is there, so you can play those games. You can play with your siblings. You can play hide and seek indoors, all indoors game. You can play other games like Scrabble. These are different activities. What else is there beside playing, which you can do at night? Yes, there is one thing that you can do at night beside playing. You can read books. You can read. It's your don't your moms and your grandmothers they tell you stories at night time? Yes. So that means you can tell stories to your cousins at night time before going to bed, or your moms can read stories for you. Your grandmothers can read. Your grannies can read stories for you at night time, right? So there are different activities in daytime also, at nighttime also, right? Some activities are common that you can do at daytime as well as at nighttime. What are those? Think about it. Think about it. You can do swimming at nighttime. If you have a swimming pool, you can do swimming at nighttime also. But when you have to go somewhere and do swimming, that you can do at daytime, right? What else is there that you can do at daytime also and nighttime also? Both. You can play with your siblings or you can play with your cousins at daytime as well as at nighttime. What about visiting friends or visiting cousins? Can you visit them at daytime? Yes, you mostly visit them at daytime, but don't you visit them at nighttime also? Yes, you visit them at nighttime. So both these times you can visit your friends, your cousins at daytime as well as at nighttime, right? Now, I have few pictures regarding the activities and I want you to see those pictures and tell me the name of the activities. What is this activity? What are these two children doing? They are cycling, right? They are going for a ride, right? They are cycling. So can you do cycling at daytime or nighttime? You prefer doing this at daytime. You can see they are wearing hats. They are wearing caps, right? So basically when you wear a cap, that means it's a daytime. So this is a daytime activity. Very good. Correct. Good job, children. Right. Okay. Now, what is this boy doing? He is painting, and he is painting what? He's painting a house. So is he painting at daytime or nighttime? Daytime, because he's looking at the house and then he is painting. So this is also daytime activity. But if you are doing on a book or a notebook, you are painting, you can also do at nighttime. And this also you can do at nighttime. If you don't have to look at some picture, you can do this painting also at nighttime also. So this is like this activity you can easily do at daytime also and nighttime, but preferably people do it at daytime. Right. Now comes another activity. What is this? What's this boy doing? Can you all see? What is he doing? He's riding on a horse. So horse riding. At what time you can do horse riding? You can easily do this at daytime. Very good. It's a daytime activity. Very good. You can ride a horse. You can go ride a horse in a park or in a playground or somewhere else on a farm. And that is basically a daytime activity. And what are these children doing? They are sitting on a boat, right? So what time of the day is it? You can see in the picture, there is a sun and the clouds are there. So what time of the day is this? It's a daytime. So they are doing this activity at daytime. It says a daytime activity, okay? Correct. Now, what is this boy doing here? He is reading a book. And remember what we have discussed. What time activity is it? Is it a daytime or a nighttime? It can be at daytime as well as at night, both. You can read a book at daytime also. You can read a book at nighttime also, right? Yes, reading is a day and night, anytime activity. You can read it at any time of the day. It doesn't matter whether it is a day or whether it is a daytime, whether it is a nighttime. You can read book at any time. Now, what these children are doing here, they are swimming and they are playing with the ball. That means they are on a picnic. So, and they are also wearing glasses, right? So what time of the day is it? Is it a day or night? It's daytime. So they are swimming and enjoying. So this is also a daytime activity. Correct. Very good. So you have seen that there are loads of activities that we do, that we can easily do at daytime as well as at nighttime. You have seen you can have cycling is a daytime activity, riding on a horse is a daytime activity, whereas riding on a boat is also a daytime activity. Whereas you can say painting you can have at both the times, at daytime also and nighttime also. And in the same way, there is reading a book is also, you can read it at daytime as well as at nighttime. And swimming, that swimming was at daytime, right? Okay, the swimming was at daytime. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to draw one activity which is of day, you can do at daytime, and one activity which you can do at night. So basically you are going to draw two pictures showing, one picture showing daytime activity and the other picture showing nighttime activity. And you also have to write down one sentence about it, that this boy is reading a book or at daytime, or these children are riding a bicycle at daytime. Okay, one sentence. So since it is a lengthy task, you have to draw as well as write. So I'm going to give you 15 minutes for this task, and your time starts now. Time is up. Can you show me your pictures, please? Wow, great. Okay, very good. Now read out what you have done. Come on, Amir, can you read? This boy is reading a book at night time. Very good. And what's a daytime activity? These children are playing in the park at daytime. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Yes, Neha, what you have written? These children are playing with their cousins at night time. Very good. And what about daytime activity? This boy is riding on a horse at daytime. Very good. That means that daytime and nighttime activities are very, very clear to you all. Yes or no? You know what are daytime activities, you know what are nighttime activities, and the activities which you can do on at both the times simultaneously. You know those also, right? Very good. Now, I want you to do your homework which is related to daytime and nighttime activities. I'm going to post that on portal, and I also want you to keep watching these videos of your school, that is Edward, and subscribe those videos, like those videos, and send the links to your other fellows friends as well. Okay, class? All right, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.